How often do we find ourselves scrolling through social media, binge watching TV shows, or just aimlessly drifting through the day? It's time to stop wasting precious hours, minutes, and seconds on things that don't contribute to our growth or happiness. It's time to reclaim our time and start living intentionally. So, how do we break this cycle? How do we stop wasting time and start living with purpose? Let me share with you some powerful strategies that will transform your life. Set clear goals. First thing, you need to define your goals. What do you really want to achieve in life? Take some time to reflect and create a clear vision of where you want to be. When you have a destination in mind, you will be less likely to waste time on distractions. Prioritize and plan. Once you have your goals in place, it's time to prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and tackle the most important things first. Break your goals into small, actionable steps and schedule them into your day. Plan ahead too, and you'll stay focused and make progress every day. Always discipline. Discipline is the key to unlocking your true potential. It's about making a commitment to yourself and following through even when you don't feel like it. Say no to distractions, set boundaries, and develop positive habits that support you. Remember, goals take. Every small decision you make contributes to your success. Practice time management. Time is our most valuable resource, so let's manage it wisely. Identify your time wasting habits and replace them with productive activities. Use time blocking techniques to allocate specific periods of time for different tasks. Remember, you can achieve it and much more when you manage your time effectively. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your victories along the way. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. Every step forward is a victory, no matter how small. Recognize the progress you have made and use that positive energy to fuel your journey. Well, it's time to take action. No more excuses, no more wasted opportunities. Let's step into our greatness and make every moment count. The future is yours and you have the power to shape it. Remember, success comes to those who refuse to waste their time. It's time to unleash your potential. Follow your dreams and make a lasting impact on the world. Together, let's stop wasting time and start living our best lives. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Always remember that you have the power to change your life.